After the CCR is successfully connected to a power source and all PAPI electrical connections are properly installed, activate the CCR using the main switch and set the brilliancy level to step 1. Inspect the status LED indicator on the control box. A steady green blinking light means the PAPI unit is operating with no errors as expected. If the status LED blinks in red, this indicates a fault has been detected within the PAPI system. Each error is represented by a specific number of red flashes corresponding to a fault code. Refer to the status LED fault code guide to identify the nature of the issue and apply the recommended corrective actions. Critical errors may disable illumination, while non-critical ones allow continued operation but should still be addressed promptly. You can also find the status LED fault description in the latest LED PAPI 6.6 amps installation and maintenance manuals. Manually cycle through each light intensity level using the CCR control knob, starting from level 0 up to level 5. Any delay or failure to illuminate at a specific level may indicate a connection or calibration issue that requires further inspection. At each step, carefully observe the PAPI projectors to ensure that all units respond correctly and adjust their brightness accordingly. Finally, one can verify proper PAPI operation by looking at the bar graph indicator located inside the PCU. The PCU is located below the PAPI frame. In order to access the inside of the PCU, pull the safety latch outwards. Then, using a screwdriver with a T20-bit adapter, unscrew the 2 security screws. The screws, despite being loose, they will not fall out of the case. The cover should then be able to lift up easily. This is where the bar graph indicator is located. As you cycle through each intensity level on the CCR from 0 to 5, observe the bar graph located inside each PCU. The bar graph provides a visual representation of the current intensity level being applied to the PAPI projector. With every step increase on the CCR, the number of illuminated bars on the bar graph should correspondingly increase. This serves as confirmation that the correct power is being delivered to each unit. If the bar graph does not respond accordingly, it may indicate a connection issue or an internal fault within the PCU that should be investigated.